Hello guys, Dude playing this game Gone Twisted. I bet you guys heard of this game before, but if you didn't, this game where just made me chase tornadoes. That's probably the only part of it, and get good cars and like that. But these cars cost money. Oh wait, I have to buy props. Dang it! I think. Oh yeah, I forgot I left him in the other server. I tried, but dang it. Yeah, so. Yeah, there's some activity going on, but no, I'm just gonna go to it, bro. Don't care about the notifications. So, I know that we're gonna have to go over here, I think. That's where I see the clouds. Still kind of a bit laggy. I think I might be stuck, I don't know. Please just tell me. No. There it goes, now we're unstuck. I really don't like how the game creator just puts the movement over here. Like, they always could have just put the location and the health like right next to the sending button. But it's fine. I won't make a big deal of it. Clouds, so I better have to turn at the next area. On a road, not on a dirt road. Anything yet? Nope, nothing. Wait. Is it a real map? Or... Yes, real road. That's what I want. Ow. What was the odds of me hitting that stop sign, but I just did it anyway? This is actually a pretty cool, nice looking storm. But not for long until it produces spikes and tornadoes. Matter of fact, that's what you guys are talking right now. No potential for anything right now. Ow, lag. I bring the lag. The rotation of the map. Yeah, the storm is moving this way, so I might as well keep going this way for the whole day. And I don't know why you steer so fast. Like, you only steer like so fast. Oh, green. Tornado. So excited. I like kind of ran outside right now. Oh, that was pretty big. You know what's that? Oh, wait. What is that? Oh, whoa. That was way unexpected. Me seeing a tornado without a rotation. noticed that UFO spawning down like here, spawn a tornado, so you could surprise any storm chasers. Is it gonna cross? It is. I better do this quick. Then I'm gonna turn about. Then I'm gonna turn on to the right. Yeah, the graphics are really not doing anything as well. Right here. Wait, it switched. Bro, now it's hunting me now? Wait, oh no, oh my god, bro, oh my. Whoop, I'm having to do it. Come on, bro, what's it doing? I have to go past it. Come on. Come on, we have to do it before. Wait. It wasn't. It wasn't. Wow. Come on. Come on. Beat it. I know I'm definitely placing it. Right here, yeah. I really don't know which direction it's. You know, I'm gonna do something risky. If this probe will actually. If this probe will actually pick up. Finally. Well, that was actually kind of false alarm the whole entire time. How stupid of me. But wait. Is it going towards my probe? I really don't know. I don't know. I probably need her to calculate its movements. Wait, is it? I'm gonna put one back here just in case if I'm wrong. But you know, it can switch movements anytime. So if I think it's there, but where would I think it would be? I don't know. Actually, I need to slow down a bit. See, well, this actually might be actually fast as me actually. Now over here. It's so big, but it looks big from far away. So it actually spawned right there, but now it's actually going towards for my probe, so I'm actually gonna have to find it after I'm actually done. And I don't like how it always uses my screen unexpectedly, bro. Yes, we know. I seen it. I was the first person to see it form. I'm turning. Need to remember that I turn this way. Whoa, power flash. So right there. So means it's gonna bow across right there. So it means I'm gonna have to put this probe down. But although it's not gonna be directly, but. Wait, did it turn? Oh, it is! It's coming straight for me. Actually, goodbye. I don't want to mess with you anymore. You're too big. Bro, there's one over there! There's one over here too. One and a two. Yeah, because I hit that one, then it was... I don't know, my calculations are wrong. I really don't know. That was my problem. No money still, dang. I'm gonna be poor for the rest of my life then. Well, there's one right there that I can go for, but... yeah, it's just street crossing thing. But wait, what about this one? Well, I'm right on the edge, so I better... Wait, is this the one? And what about this one? Oh, so that one... Yeah, so mine is that one, so... You know, I'm gonna grab it, although I went a long way though, but it's fine. I can grab that one later. Although that may waste some time, but it's fine. I can always find more. I bet there's a bunch in the map right now. Or, bro, 1, 2. This is what happened to me last time. You know, I don't know if that one... Yeah, I think that one is actually coming to do a real cross, I think. You know, I need to stop to take a good look. Oh, wait. Yeah, I better get to that probe right now. I don't know, that might be an EF5 because look how far it is. And is it actually an EF5? Well, they're both getting some... I think it might be an EF5 or EF something. Because this seems to actually be a pretty strong storm. Actually, how far did I actually travel, actually? Oh, here it is. You know, should I keep that there? I may have actually some luck on it, but... Well, they're both dying. Wait, no. No, they're not. They're both at the same progress, so... Oh, here's my probe. It's rain wrap, too. I think it actually... Yeah, like... I don't know, like... I don't know, my guess it might be like right here, probably. But I actually really don't know, like... Or... Yeah, I think I was correct. I think it was right there. What? Can I always get some money too, game? You trying to buy your stuff and not get any money? There, I got it. I'm gonna leave that probe over there because I'm pretty sure that actually might have the best luck. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, like. Well, wait. If these two tornadoes collide, would that cause an EF5? I don't know. I really want to go inside of it though. I know I've done that like a year ago with my friend. I actually kind of made it through for a dust storm. It's also rain wrapped too, so I really can't see it. Wait. Can you see that outline right there? I saw like an outline that could potentially be that tornado I was looking for. Whoa! Right there, yeah. Starting to get out of the rain zone? Yeah, right? But depends which direction it's moving. I don't know, it might be moving my direction because there's two of them on my side. Well, I think it depends on where the lightning strikes hit, or like which might be. I don't know. I'm talking gibberish. Should I go towards that one or that one over there? This one's a bit more. Whoa! Holy cow! That shook my whole screen. That was like right behind me. I really don't know. Grabbing it. And I'm gonna try to put. Oh my god. There, that was so difficult. Now let's go and chase that one. Yeah, that one's like moving over there. Potential street crossing too, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on that one because this one's actually the closest. This one's actually not rain wrapped anymore. It's actually like. Oh yeah, I'm actually kind of going slow. But I can't have that to happen. Because I need to put this grove down and get some money. Rain is starting to come in. Okay. Yeah, I am technically like around the edge, so that one actually lasted for a long time actually, but this one I just noticed. It's sunny. No, I was on the road to me. I don't know what will go up on this hill. I'm pretty sure I just need like to. Or will it be like horse action being like a car right now? Saying it's vroom vroom vroom. Is it? I'm looking at that one tree. Right there. Now if I delete that, you'll actually probably know what I'm talking about. Nope. It's so hard to predict where it's gonna go. Yeah, what the? Oh, yeah. I don't think I actually know. Oh, I better put this down! Oh, yeah, that's right directly. Dang it, I just put myself in a risky situation. Well, it's kinda, but I need to confirm it first. Wait, and I can put one right here too. Right, oh, confirmed. It's confirmed. It's definitely confirmed. By me, at least. But I don't know, it might be confirmed. What? Or is it coming this way? What? How are they doing right now? Yeah, it's gonna be confirmed, I think. Whoa, yeah, it's going up, it's going up. Definitely gonna be confirmed, yeah. Wait, what about this one? Well, I really don't know. Yeah, I did place in the right spot, dang it. I don't know, should I grab those probes or just let them be and just buy some new ones? But, yeah, because the thing is, there's a tornado literally guarding them. And it's also the wind speed, so it was kind of in a good spot, but not right into the best spot. I'm gonna grab, I'm sacrificing, you know. You have to do that. Like, I don't even know if the probes even despawn. Oh, wait. Hold up. It's starting to go up there. Yeah, I think I might be wrong. Wait, it's going up though. I really don't know. I can't really tell. Yeah, it's moving farther away from me. Well, it made me assume that it was right there, but wait. I didn't used to see it before. Wait, so it's actually coming towards me now? Because I remember this tornado is actually very confusing me, actually. Yeah. I think the number 2 one will have better luck, actually. Both of them will. I'm gonna pick up the sprouts. Of course I have to do this every single time. Hello. I thought I was gonna come for you, but nope. Well guys, this is the end of this exclusive video. Make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Goodbye.